5 seconds to go. Start. Speed increasing dictation. In this context, we need to take a close look at the growth of our revenue expenditure, particularly on subsidies. The major subsidies at the center are for food, fertilizers, and petroleum products. Some subsidies at this juncture in our development are inevitable, but they become undesirable if they compromise the macroeconomic fundamentals of the economy, more so when they do not reach the intended beneficiaries. The government had decided that from 2012-2013 subsidies related to food and for administering the Food Security Act will be fully provided for. All other subsidies would be funded to the extent that they can be borne by the economy without any adverse implication. It would be my endeavor to restrict the expenditure on central subsidies to under 2% of GDP in 2012-13. Over the next 3 years, it would be further brought down to 1.75% of GDP. Such a step is needed to improve the quality of public spending. Out effort now will be directed towards better targeting and leakage proof delivery of the subsidies. The recommendation of the task force on IT strategy for direct transfer of subsidy have been accepted. Based on these recommendations, a mobile-based fertilizer management system has been designed to provide end-to-end information on the movement of fertilizers and subsidies from the manufacturer to the retail level. This will be rolled out nationwide during 2012. Direct transfer of subsidy to the retailer and eventually to the farmer will be implemented in subsequent phases. This step will benefit 12 crore farmer families while reducing expenditure on subsidies by curtailing misuse of fertilizers. All the 3 public sector oil marketing companies have launched LPG transparency portals to improve customer service and reduce leakage. A pilot project for selling LPG at market price and reimbursement of subsidy directly into the beneficiary's bank account is being conducted in Mysore. These pilot projects show that substantial economies in subsidy outgo can be achieved by the use of Aadhaar platform. It will be our endeavor to scale up and roll out these Aadhaar enabled payments for various government schemes in at least 50 selected districts within the next 6 months. As honorable members are aware, the district taxes code bill was introduced in Parliament in August 2010. It was our earnest desire. Stop.